Alright, so let's learn ChatGPT. So, this is computer vision. I couldn't get it working. I kept trying with ChatGPT for days, troubleshooting it. It didn't work. I tried installing Python some different ways. Kept on troubleshooting it, and this was a solution to it. It was terrible. It's an infinite loop of the numpy thing. I kept trying, and then one day I figured it out. So let's get started. So first things first, how do we fix this? We consult ChatGPT. I did that. That was troubleshooting. It was a complete fail. All right. It was an infinite circle. It went for like 2, 3 days. All right. My solution: install Windows binaries. I did that from here. The newest binaries. I installed the old one, the Visual Studio 2022. All the libraries like C++. Because like for open or for computer vision and NumPy, you need the new binaries. Okay. So what helped me figure it out? I uninstalled all instances of Python. All of them. If you can uninstall all of them. If not, use Revo uninstaller. Revo uninstaller, and then look for all the Pythons and uninstall them all. Like all Pythons. So just type in Python. See if it's all gone. No Pythons. That's good. Type in Anaconda. Anaconda. No Anaconda either. That's good. Get rid of all of them. Delete them all. And then after that, you go to your handy dandy Microsoft Store, the thing that you never used, and you install Python 3.12. And after that, it should work. And that's it. And now, without further ado, let's make it happen. Python. It's Python. And feature tracker. Now it should work. Now you see my face, which I don't want to show. And there we go. Now it works. It took me a whole week. And literally, it was this hell. ChatGPT troubleshoot hell. So basically, what I'm saying is, we still have a job. So don't worry. As long as you fix things computers can't fix and figure things out on your own, you still got a job. So are humans still required? Yes. And thanks for watching. And that's how I fixed my issue with NumPy. Thanks for watching. Peace.